Everybody here at day 3 or day 4, I'm not sure, of AILA National Conference in Denver, Colorado, with Joorney here with Gerald. Gerald, thank you for coming on. Joorney is well known for business plans. So everyone knows that. And I'm jumping at, we didn't plan the conversation, but there's so much more now. You had me on a podcast. Your team had me on the podcast a couple of weeks ago. You have conferences now. What is the big picture of Joorney right now, more than just being great business plan writers?
Yeah, we're
It's morning right now. It's right the first thing morning on Friday.
Friday morning, day 3 of our AILA conference, bright and early. But really, we're set out to be kind of an authority of business immigration and business plans and the changing policy, and trying to educate our lawyer partners in the happenings of immigration, and trying to keep current and bringing on knowledgeable speakers to be part of our summits as well, to be able to share their knowledge with the rest of the community.
And my associate listens. You got really good speakers come on your podcast. People that were in the agencies and people that are experts in cost processing. And she's always like, "Oh, the Joorney podcast." We'll have meetings, so I got to go. Journey's podcast starting. And she always comes with a tidbit, so it's fascinating getting into space. I'm a fellow podcaster. I'm like, the more content that's information out there, the better to help practice get better. And obviously, business plans is a major part of what you do. And it was interesting. The conference, and it's amazing. Like, start small and then it becomes something huge. Definitely, it's an amazing experience.
Yeah, happy to contribute and give some insights on, again, the changing happenings in immigration. A lot of things going on nowadays. But also, we are also introducing a few different initiatives ourselves, helping with case prep, kind of a paralegal type service in the back end, which we just introduced not too long ago. So happy to talk more about that. If you need to reach out to me, I'm Gerald, once again, from Joorney. Of course, we've got a great team. We speak different languages, and be happy to help you in any way.
Wonderful. If you want to reach out, what's the best way to contact you?
You can contact me via email, or you can just reach out to me our website. They probably direct you to me, but my email, gpadilla@joorney.com. Feel free to reach out anytime.
And I was at Joorney with 2 O, Joorney. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.